Video is too large to upload into Moodle. There's an easy fix for this. The first thing we're going to do is I go to the university site because I find this can be the easiest way to get to OneDrive, which is what we're going to use to help us. But the easiest way is go to the Lee website, click on employee email, and this will actually take you to your student email as well. And when you access your student email from the web as opposed to from an app, you will have this little tic-tac-toe box up here. We're going to click on that and we're going to select OneDrive. All students have access to OneDrive. Then we're going to click My Files. And at this point, I can add a new upload. And so let's say that I'm going to upload this screen recording. So let me upload that here and it should be working on that. Yes, it's working on it now. And in a second, when it finishes, it's here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right next to this with the little three dots, and I'm going to copy the link. So now I'm copying it, copy. Now I'm going to go to Moodle. I'm copying the link here, and then I am, let's just go to, I'm going to go to the basic digital photography class, and I'm going to go into this introduction video forum. And if I added a new discussion topic, yeah, I could type the name here. And then here, I'm going to click the little link button. I'm going to enter this URL, tell it to open. Nah, it doesn't have to open in a new window. Anyways, and I'm going to create the link. And if I post this to the forum, now if you click on here, that link is there and people can click on that and then watch your video that way. You could also upload it to YouTube and put a YouTube link into the discussion instead of that. And if you do a YouTube link, it might look more like this where you can actually see a preview on it. But either way, either upload your file to OneDrive or to YouTube and then just put a link, and that should take care of everything. Hope that helps.